Once upon a time, there were twin brothers named Sam and Tom living in a village. They looked so identical that even their mother would sometimes confuse them. But while they looked the same on the outside, their personalities were completely different. Sam had no friends, while Tom was very social. Sam loved sweets, while Tom preferred spicy food. Sam was his mother's favorite, and Tom was close to their father. Sam was simple and kind-hearted, while Tom was greedy and selfish. As they grew up, their father decided to divide his property equally between them. But Tom didn't agree. He believed that the smarter and stronger one, himself, should get a larger share. Sensing this, their father came up with a plan. He told both sons, "Tomorrow morning, you will both run a race. Run as far as you can, but before the sun sets, you must return to the starting point. The more distance you cover and return in time, the more share of property you'll get." The next day, the race began. Sam ran steadily and wisely. He planned to run till noon and then turn back so he could return before sunset. He stuck to his plan. Tom, on the other hand, kept running farther, thinking he would turn back later. Every time he thought of turning back, his greed told him, just a little more. He believed that the more distance he covered, the more property he would get. But he forgot that he also had to return before sunset. By the time he decided to turn back, it was too late. He had run too far and couldn't reach the starting point before sunset. He lost the race due to his greed. Sam, however, finished the race on time. But being kind-hearted, he told his father to divide the property equally. His father smiled and said, "That was always my plan. I just wanted Tom to learn that being too selfish is never a good thing." Friends, this story teaches us two lessons. 1. Greed can lead us so far from the right path that returning becomes impossible. We keep thinking, just a little more, and that little more keeps pushing us until it's too late. 2. Never be arrogant about your intelligence or strength. Intelligence can become corrupted, and strength can fade with time. If you like this story and want more people to hear it, please like this video, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. I'll see you again with another inspiring story. So, be patient, be grateful, and keep moving forward in life.